guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna create this fall makeup tutorial for you guys. I am using all drugstore products, so if you guys want to know how to get this look, just keep on watching and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Also, please turn on the bell notification so you can be notified whenever I upload a video. Now let's get started with the tutorial. I am officially back after 2 weeks of being gone. I am so sorry, but you know, I had a busy week. I got married to my fiance, now husband, and here is the ring. Can you guys see it? We got married on Friday, October 5th, and you know, I had to take the week off and just get ready for everything. And we just had a small wedding at the courthouse, and then we went to a restaurant afterwards, and we just ate with our whole family. Now we're just gonna jump into a fall makeup tutorial because I love these makeup tutorials, and I am using all affordable products. You can find these at the drugstore, and you can also find them at Ulta on the drugstore side. So this is going to be a very affordable makeup tutorial for the fall, including the Morphe palette from Jaclyn. This is Ring the Alarm. It does retail for $15 by itself, so it is very affordable, just like the e.l.f. palette. That one's $16, so you can definitely compare these to drugstore. So this is what it looks like, and we're gonna do that today. I am starting with my face today because it's going through it. I was in my honeymoon just eating away, and look at my face now. It's, you know, taking a toll on my face. I'm gonna use the Wet n Wild face primer, Dewy primer. This is very good. It hydrates my face and it also illuminates, so I'm gonna use just a little bit, and it does have some sort of color, so I'm gonna apply that all over. After you're done putting this on, you do look like a Tin Man, so don't be scared. This does retail for about $5.99, I believe, so it is very affordable. The foundation that I'm using today is a new one. This is a NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop. I ripped the whole thing, but you can see it right there a little bit. I'm using the shade Natural 07. It is around $13 at the NYX store. 2 pumps of that. And that is why I used a dewy primer, because I am going to go in with the matte finish foundation. And I'm just going to use my foundation brush and start applying it. I like to go a little bit dark now and then use a lighter concealer so it all evens out. This is medium to full coverage. It is very buildable. Next, I'm going to jump into concealer, and I am going to use an affordable concealer, of course. I'm going to use the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Full Coverage Concealer. This is in the shade C1. This is very affordable. It's about $6, and you can find this online, Makeup Revolution, online Ulta, or you can find it at the store at Ulta. It's so nice and giant, so this will conceal all the darkness. This is comparable to Tarte Shape Tape, but a little bit more hydrating than that. And this is gonna work as my eyeshadow base for today. Since I applied it first on this side, I'm gonna start to blend it out on this side first before it dries. See how that, you know, instantly makes my face a little lighter? So if I went in with a really light foundation like I used to, it'll look extra white. And then once that's blended, you go in with your favorite powder, and my favorite powder from the drugstore has to be the Maybelline Fit Me. I use the shade 10 Fair Light. Start blending it in my eyes first. For bronzer, I'm going to use this Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer, and I just have the shade Bronzer. This is the original one. I am going to probably buy the darkest one, and we'll see how that looks. But this is the one, the original one, and this is more of a gray undertone bronzer, but look at that. This instantly contours your face. It's not much of a like warm undertone bronzer, but for you girls that love cool tone bronzers, you will definitely love this. And the smell is to die for. I love this smell. It smells like summer all over again, even though it's not summer. Now I'm just gonna set my face with the Mario Badescu facial spray, and I'm using the purple one. You can find this at any drugstore like Ulta. It is $7. So this is definitely drugstore price. This is the smaller size, and I'm just going to spray away. So now that the face is dry, I'm gonna use my highlight. This is the Maybelline Molten Gold Highlight. This is a little bit dark for me, but I still love it. I love it in the fall with my dark lips. It is really, really nice. And I'm just going to pop that on here. For blush, I'm gonna do the Essence Satin Touch Blush and Satin Coral. This is great for the fall. I always use this around this time. These are very, very pigmented and amazing for the price. I'm gonna link everything down below, so make sure you check it out. And you kind of want to tap. Don't really slide around, because then it'll slide everything around, since you did set that with the facial spray. You kind of want to tap in. And then once that's done, you go back to your powder brush and start blending the inside part and the outside part. And voila, 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 voila. It looks like high-end, but it really isn't. This is the Morphe eyebrow pencil. It is amazing. I've been loving this eyebrow pencil. It's just the right amount of creaminess and it glides on. You'll see right now. So first I start with the brush, and I got the shade Chocolate Mousse. It works great for me. I did buy the shade Latte as well, but it is too light. So I'm going to stick with Chocolate Mousse. And I am going to do my eyebrows before the eyeshadow, just so I can know what I'm gonna be dealing with, you know. If I have no brows on, it feels weird. And then the other side has the eyebrow pencil. I start just sticking it out this way, not really downwards, more out towards the ear. And then I start doing the bottom part as well. For the brow gel, I'm using a very good one, and it's very affordable, which is the Essence Brow Gel. This is the Make Me Brow Eyebrow Gel Mascara, and I got the shade Brownie Brows 02. I always use this off camera, and it's amazing. I just do the front area here where I have hair. So I usually avoid the outside part because I have no hair. I just popped my ears on. These are so cute. I found them at Walmart. They're so nice. They were in the Halloween area. So anyways, now we're gonna move on to eyeshadow. I'm gonna use the Jaclyn Hill Morphe palette. This is the Ring the Alarm palette. To start, I'm gonna use my fluffy brush. This is the fluffy brush from Makeup Shack. The first shade that I'm gonna use is called Rush, towards the inside of the eye. I am bringing this color all the way into the inner part, since I am going to create like a little mini cut crease, not too dramatic. The next shade that I'm going to take is Mugshot, a little bit under. I'm going to use the shade Secret with my Morphe E27 brush. And I am bringing it in all the way to the inner corner. I'm going to use my Sigma E40 tapered blending brush, and I'm going to use the shade Framed just to add a little bit of purple. I'm going to add that in the middle part here, and you could get it on the lid, it doesn't matter. Now that that's done, I'm going to use this concealer brush. It's from AOA. It's those dollar brushes, and I'm gonna cut the crease real quick with my concealer. Always go on the bottom first and then the top. For the bone shade, I'm gonna jump into this e.l.f. palette, and it does have this shade called Fresh. This was $16 as well, so that's what I'm telling you, you guys. This is $15, so it's the same thing. I'm just going to apply more of the darkest shade, which was this shade Secret from the Jaclyn Hill palette. My favorite mascara from the drugstore is this Makeup Shayla times Maybelline. This is the Colossal Big Shot, and this is very, very black, and it is amazing. More amazing than the original one. So now that I have my lashes on and I did my lower lash line, I'm just gonna continue to the lips. For the lips, I'm gonna use this Wet n Wild Megalast Liquid Catsuit matte lipstick in the shade Caramel Cake. This is one of their newest shades, and I just picked it up a few days ago. This is the definition of fall, so you can use this for the whole month of October. You can totally use this for November, for Thanksgiving. It's so, so nice. I hope you guys enjoyed this fall makeup tutorial. Make sure to leave any suggestions down in the comments. And thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you guys in my next video.